This is how to install a power supply into the frame of a computer. Take this power supply, and you line it up with where the screws go on the frame, as such. And you would take a screwdriver and you would screw the screws right in these holes. After doing so, you take this end of the power supply and plug it on into the motherboard. As shown.